Dear students, distinguished parents, and my dear revered teachers, on behalf of the Millennium World School Faridabad family, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Year 2021 is the diamond jubilee of our independence. आप सभी को 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। सन 1857 में मंगल पांडे के आंदोलन से आरंभ हुआ संघर्ष, जिसमें सन 1947 में हमें स्वतंत्रता दिलाई। हमारे शहीदों के संघर्ष और बलिदान के फलस्वरूप हमें आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई। हमें आज़ादी के लिए अपने वर्तमान में कोई कीमत नहीं चुकानी पड़ी, क्योंकि उसकी कीमत हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने, जैसे नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद और अनेक वीर सपूतों ने अपने बलिदान से चुकता कर दिया है। Years ago, we got independence from the British rule, and this national festival is to celebrate the sacrifices of our martyrs and their struggle for a long span of 200 years. We have come so far, they have started taking it for granted, forgetting the true meaning of independence. This day should not be just a day when we gather to raise the flag. We must keep in mind that the flag we raise, that we shall never let it down. The flag also reminds us of those heads that were beheaded during the freedom struggle. We, as citizens of the country, shall keep the past, present, and future glory of the country alive every moment of this day. It has been a long journey, and we have turned our lowest point into our strengths. It is our duty to make our motherland proud. This can be achieved only if we are honest towards our duties and make everyone proud. Let us realize what Gandhiji had said: freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for the living? अर्थात स्वतंत्रता किसी भी कीमत पर महंगी नहीं हो सकती। स्वतंत्रता तो जीवित व्यक्ति के लिए सांस है, जिसकी कोई भी कीमत नहीं। As a responsible citizen, we should learn to fight against all odds. India of our dreams should be reaching the heights of honor. Every citizen of India deserves a prosperous life. We can help our nation to spring up in its glory. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। जय भारत।